Hello everyone, I'm AMOLED, who will show you the cutting-edge technology of display. Let's take a look at how I was made. Firstly, to make AMOLED, we clean the glass. And we put the glass into the equipment called chamber that coats layers onto the glass. Among the layers, pass amorphous silicone through the laser equipment to change it into polysilicone to make a good conductor for current flow. Complete the making of a layer and cover it with light-sensitive substance. Expose the layers into a light through the mask that is patterned to change exposed area. Eliminate the exposed area and its bottom part with chemical and electrical method. After making the shape with the above procedure, eliminate the light-sensitive top layer with chemical method. By repeating this process, we make each layers and complete it with circuit. That is the end of LTPS process. Turn the substrate over first that is finished with the LTPS operation, and then put the substrate into the evaporator and deposit organic material by repeating the process of coating. This process, called is EV. Prepare the new glass with the same size as previous one and apply the glue around edge of the pattern following the shape. This process is called EN. After that, even process is completed by attaching two glasses together. To make glass substrate very thin, we pass it through thin glass process after LTPS and even process. And we put the thin large-size glass substrate into length and width cell cutting process to make it as size we want. Clean the particles around it, and then we put it in the equipment to examine it. Attach polarizing film that supports with higher contrast range and visibility onto the small cell pieces. After that, attach the operation chip. Connect the operation circuit with the cell. Fold it toward back part of the cell and fix it to prevent from moving. At last, picture quality, exterior, and property evaluation. The whole process is finally finished. Did you enjoy the tour so far? After going through lots of process steps, finally Vivid Color AMOLED will be completed. Let's meet AMOLED in various product.